So I arrived to work today. It is Wednesday morning. I'm at work and I gotta get dressed out, and then we'll see what this hurricane brings. I think we're off tomorrow, possibly. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get hit, but we're going to get a lot of wind and
indicate winds that could gust well over 100 miles an hour. Some parents with students at FSU are wondering, should we bring them home? And the answer is yes. Today would be the day if they can drive back to here in Central Florida. This is your travel day because conditions will deteriorate rapidly late tonight into tomorrow morning. So this is your travel day to get them home.
Obviously some rain, but the wind and the storm surge is going to be the bigger concern. So we'll take you along and see what that's all about, especially at the new house, see what happens. Now at the house this morning, it was a high tide.
They have to swim because they can't reach the ladder. Can I hand you this?
Because it's there. The blue fender will be a good reference. That blue fender and the top of that pylon. Well, we'll cut back to the video and you can see where it's at. Just bear in mind that when we look down there at the water line, from the water line down, the boat is 4.5 feet down in the water, and at one point the top of this is under the boat. That just tells you how high the water is. And then I'll circle back around and you can see the back, or you can see the shot at night, the kind of like the same shot, and where we're at and where the water was. Because it's there. Our house is underwater. It's probably got about 18 inches of water in it. Was able to save the boat at this point. water's starting to recede. We had to swim to the swim ladder. Swim to the swim ladder. So we had to swim off the dock to the swim ladder to get on the boat. Look at the dinghy, it's moving like crazy. And so we're staying on the boat tonight. But I'm gonna manage.
We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night in a bones we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. Eyes open wide.
Suck. Yeah, I know, same here. I'm wondering if it's a little bit lower and it'll be below the yeah.
And then we'll just have to vacuum out whatever's left.
That's good. I'm glad we
Yeah, me too.
the quicker we get this out and shit dry, it's gonna stink like hell though, probably.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, look, a little fish.
You could. There was like a river in the hallway though.
Yeah.
No track. We have runaway remote, the AC piece, AC unit. I don't know what to do. What?
At least it's going down quick.
Yeah. It's funny your sister's lights are still on. Like, what the heck? There's me in my underwear. What the heck is that? Come here, in Ella's room.
Is that your butt?
What the heck is that?
The walls, I guess.
Dude, what the hell? You can see you can feel the floor floating. Yeah, I do. Did you do what you needed to hand? That is so weird.
Where's that bag?
What bag? The what?
When we got off the boat.
Oh. Did you hand it to me? No. You're asking me, and it's like,
Oh, yeah.
you were with me. Or
Yeah, but where did it go?
it's on the boat.
Arizona, or Julia, you need to sell that freaking boat and come back to Arizona. This is too much stress and drama. I mean, the whole peninsula is underwater.
The garage is the worst. Well, not the worst, but still hasn't been cleaned up. All the tools pretty much ruined. Laura's car is total. This is where I make the holders. That was somewhat spare. We got a bunch of orders to fill, which is great. Got other priorities right now.